So this is a G5 that's behind me. Gonna start working. Got to put on a safety harness, get everything ready to go. So just get it rocking and rolling, y'all.
Biggest bag talk you ever heard in your life.
Had just finished detailing the inside of here, from the ceilings to the control surfaces all the way down, windows, tray tables, pretty much everything. Cleaned and conditioned all the leather. and I'm just bringing you through. I got this set on wide view on a super view, so that way you can see. And as you can see, the wood looks beautiful, everything, the galley. And the reason why I'm showing you this first is because I'm going to be going over it and doing a carpet extraction. So keeping this airplane looking good. This is what it looks like going back. Big plane, a lot of surface area, a lot of stuff, but this carpet is definitely going to come clean. Yes, I am walking around barefooted because the carpet is going to be wet, and I am not going to be getting my socks wet. So be sure to like and subscribe. Of course, you're watching EXQUISITEMAD. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to, because if you want to see videos like this and see things that other folks will never really get to see, except right here. So this is where you could see it. Real life. This is real life. So anyway, I'm going to stop blabbing. I'm going to go ahead and get carpet extractor ready to go. And I'm going to start from back here all the way back. I'm going to be wearing this camera on my head, so you're going to see exactly what I see and exactly what I'm doing. Alright everybody, so now showing you the after here. And I must admit it does look good. Air conditioner is not on in here, but the lights are on, which is nice. So you'll see all the way to the back. Galleys turned out great, even inside the microwave. Cabinets. All right. So the next step is, I'm just holding the camera right now, so forgive me. It's a little bit shaky. But now the next step is to shampoo the rugs that are outside. All right, everybody, so just wrapped up on this Gulfstream G5, and turned out absolutely amazing. I'll let you just see right here. Things turned out good. See, all this turned out good. Plane is spectacular underneath. And of course, side all the way up. So I'm back off this thing. Show it to you for the front angle. Said GPU, PC aircraft powered up. So all wrapped up. All right, so on to the next. Let's keep going.